fellow, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. I have never done, I don't think I have done, or if I've done it, it's been like years, a fully dedicated PR haul. But I have so many packages behind me that brands have been sending me over the past 2 weeks, and I'm so thankful for, but I've been accumulating them so I could do a video. So if you guys are interested to see what all brands have sent me, then definitely keep watching. I'm also trying a new energy drink. It's from Gorgie, and this is the Jaclyn Hill one. I got these on Amazon. So far, so good. This is like a really good energy drink. Definitely not as sweet as I'm used to, but definitely still good. Let me know if you've tried them. I think there's about 20 packages here, so we've got a little bit to go through, so let's get started. First up, we have Too Faced. So many goodies in here, and I did open the top just so I could get a little sneak peek, but I don't really know what all this is. So let's go through it. These are the new Too Faced Kissing Jelly glosses. There's a bunch of colors. They sent me pina colada, cotton candy, raspberry. I'm pretty sure this is probably the whole lineup. Sour watermelon, bubblegum, and grape soda. I think I'm gonna put raspberry on and try it out. All right, let's give it a try. That is really gorgeous and feels so nice on the lips. I really like the flavor. Let me know if you guys have tried these yet, but so far, I like the way that feels on my lips. It feels very, very nice. I'll never get over getting a package from YSL. Like, I'm shocked that I'm on their PR list still. Well, I'm not shocked. I'm just like super stunned, I guess. And they always send me the best stuff. So we've got a cute little package over here. They sent me their Lash Clash mascara. This is the blue shade, and I don't have this one, so I'm excited. Look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. I have the original on right now, and if you can tell, like, my lashes look so good. It's the formula. The formula is so good. So yeah, it's just like the same wand as the one before, but the shade blue. Definitely gonna be trying that out. And then they sent me their Candy Glow Love Shine. I love these as well. These are amazing. Really nice and balmy, very beautiful and very soft. Next, we have a box from Pixi. I've been on their PR list for like the past 3 years, and they constantly send me so much, and I love their stuff. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh, they sent me the goods. This is all a part of their like after sun kind of line. Okay, they sent me a bucket hat, which is adorable. They also sent me their EOD cleansing oil. It's a plant-based cleansing oil that removes makeup and sunscreen. That's really cool. And then also these after sun infusion sheet masks, which I have a feeling these are gonna be amazing if they're put in the fridge. So I'm gonna be using these immediately because I have a pool day coming up very soon, and this is perfect. Thank you, Pixi, for all the goodies. I always love the packages that Elemis sends me. I love their skincare. I've been using it for so long. It's very good, very clean, and I'm excited to show you guys what's in here. This is their new Pro Collagen Future Restore Serum. It's good for fine lines and wrinkles. It makes your skin look better, and it helps the firmness, so I'm excited. I want to smell it because their stuff always smells so good. Yeah, that smells amazing. I'm gonna be trying this tonight because I always love a good serum. My skin needs all the extra moisture it can get. And we have 2 more from YSL, so let's open these bad boys. I mean, I've already opened them because I wanted to make sure there were like no deadlines on maybe posting, or they wanted me to like say something special, but I don't remember what's in these fully. Oh yes, so they sent me the original Lash Clash mascara and also the brown version, which I'm excited about. You guys know I love this original one, so now that I have brown and blue, I can try all the shades. They also launched these like new liquid blushes. They're called the YSL Make Me Blush, and I have Fuchsia Fling, Coral Clash, and also Peachy Nude. Let's give these an open. Oh, that came out so quick. That is gorgeous. The packaging is to die for. It's so luxurious. Do a little swatch. Look how pigmented and beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use that. Holy crap, that is gorgeous. And yes, I just smelt it because you never know what things smell like. As always, thank you YSL. I always love all the stuff you guys send me. Next up, we have It Cosmetics. They always send me the best stuff as well. I'm just so blessed to be on all these lists. Like, I love it. It's so sweet. They sent me so much in here. Fun fact, I actually only used to wear CC Cream by It Cosmetics, and I was the shade medium tan. And the fact that I have it, the bottle just feels nostalgic, and I always like loved the pump, so that's really cool. I'm gonna be trying this again tomorrow. I mean, it's been like years since I've worn it, and I always really loved it, but it's just been so long. It was an OG for me though, because I feel like the older you get, and like the more time goes on, like the more stuff comes out, and you just kind of forget about your OGs. Now we have a package from Aveda, or it's Aveda. I'm not really sure exactly how you say it. I can't believe they sent me stuff. I go by other stores all the time in the malls and I'm just shocked that they sent me stuff. This is their new Invati Ultra Advanced line. It just launched on July 31st and they're excited to have me try it. I am excited to try this for sure, but I feel like maybe it's not gonna give me like the best review because my hair is so thick and I don't need help with thinning hair. So maybe I'll try this once to see how like the texture and the smell and like kind of like the after feeling it gives my hair, and then I'll give it to someone who does need it, and then I can get their honest thoughts and like let you guys know about it. But thank you so much, Aveda, for sending me this. I can't wait to try it and hear about it from someone else, and then also can't wait to try more from you guys. Another Pixi package. Let's see what they sent me in this one. Wow, everyone's dropping blushes. I love it. I'm totally kidding. I thought these were blushes, but they're actually lip balms. So they sent me 3 shades. We have a clear, we have a nude, and we also have a pink. Amazing. Love their packages. They're always so beautiful. The brand Joy sent me their scalp resurfacing serum. I've never tried anything from them, so I can't wait to try this. And I don't know exactly like where all they're sold, so this is kind of like a new brand for me, and I feel like a new brand for a lot of people because I haven't ever heard of them. But I don't know if it necessarily has like a smell. Ooh, it's like very minty. Kind of smells like Carmex. Well, with how strong that smell is, I can definitely assure you that this is gonna work. Like, it smells like it's really gonna work. So can't wait to try it. I will let you guys know what I think in probably a future video. But thank you so much to the brand Joy, or is it Joy? I'm not sure because the extra L, for sending me this. YSL sent me another package. This is their Libre Flowers and Flames perfume. I do have the original Libre and I love it. It's such a beautiful, strong, feminine scent. Here's what the bottle looks like, very similar to the other one. Almost, actually, I think exact. Just the color of the actual product is different. That is so nice. Wow. They described this as a sun-kissed floral fragrance and it's supposed to be very spicy.
It smells good. I can smell it now.
Yeah, I think so, too. Well, my boyfriend just said it smells good, so that's nice. But it's very like sun-kissed. Like, it's definitely brighter than the other one. I really like it. Definitely gonna be wearing this all the time. Thank you, YSL. Always. You guys are the best. Lottie London. I feel like they're such a great TikTok brand. Like, I see them all the time on TikTok, and they're definitely a very like popular brand. They've definitely kept up with the trends, and they sent me a PR package. So they sent me their little powder puffs. Love those. So cute. And they also sent me their Mega Brow Shaping Wax, a lip gloss, and also an under eye setting powder. I love their packaging and how like beautiful and iridescent it is. Let me know your favorite things from Lottie London. I know a lot of people love their stuff, so give me an update down below. Love. Dr. Dennis Gross. You guys know I love Dr. Dennis Gross. Love all of the skincare devices from Dr. Dennis Gross. So they sent me a new package. This is their new Blur and Repair Cream. Smooth skin and reduced fine lines. That seems like it's gonna be very nice. Maybe for more mature skin, but also who's to say you can't use it now, and I can't use it now. I really like the packaging. It's like gold. Let's open it. Let's see what it feels like. Yeah, that is some beautiful packaging. Got a package from L'Occitane. You guys know I love them. I've been using their almond shower stuff for so long, but they sent me stuff from their new hair care line. So we have this really nice and sturdy like scalp massager. This is like ultimate. It's very nice. Way better than the one that I have now. And then they sent me their anti-frizz serum. So this also looks really interesting as well. Can't wait to try. Let's give it a smell to see if it has like the original L'Occitane scent. You know? That good smell. Oh yeah. That's amazing. That smells good. Well, I have to wash my hair tonight anyway, so I'm probably gonna try this tonight as well because I'm excited. It's got oat, sunflower, jojoba oil. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. I'm excited. All right, we've got another package from Too Faced. I did open the top of it and I looked down in it, but I don't really know what it is. It's something chocolate. Ooh, chocolate Soleil sculpting sticks, you guys. Oh my gosh. And they sent me all the shades. Ah, so cool. You guys, seriously, this smells like a Tootsie Roll. So good. Can't wait to try these. I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow because I'm gonna film more tomorrow for you guys and try those out and I'll let you guys know what I think. I'm excited though. I'm very pumped. Oh my gosh, another YSL package. They like love sending me stuff and I'm totally here for it. I love it. It's the best. This is the new Myself Le Perfume from YSL. I think this is a man cologne. Or maybe it's unisex. I don't know. It smells a little bit more manly to me. Do you smell it? No, not yet.
Not yet.
It's like velvety vanilla bourbon, warm ambery trail, orange blossom, spicy vanilla. I really like it. I love the matte bottle, but I don't think it's for me. Like, I don't think I could wear it. But like, I love it for you, you know?
It smells good.
Yeah, right? It smells so good. Thank you, YSL. So we have some stuff for the brand City Beauty. I've never heard of them before, and they sent me some good stuff. So we've got the Concentrated Youth Serum. It's for an overall younger appearance. And we have the Night Oil. Ooh, that sounds like something I'm really excited to try. And then we have a City Lips and also a Beyond mascara. I love trying new mascara, so I'm excited to try it. And also, their like packaging is very luxurious. Like navy with gold is always just like such a superior combination. So I really like the packaging. Can't wait to try more. Again, if you guys have tried anything from these brands, you have to let me know so I can be aware. And last up, our last package, I think. Yeah, our last package is from the brand Azzaro. This is like ultimate PR package right here. I did open this. And they're colognes and perfumes, I think. So it looks like they sent me two different versions. There's a perfume, there's also a toilette. I don't know if these are female though, or if these are male. I mean, a lot of people do send me like male stuff because my boyfriend, but I am curious. When we smelled them, I thought they smelled like more manly. That one's more feminine for sure. The toilette smells more feminine. And the perfume has some like grapefruit or something and like something acidic. Either way, both of those smell amazing. So I'm gonna figure out which one's for me and which one is not for me because those smell amazing. You guys, I have a huge pile. I also need to stretch my legs. I have a huge pile of stuff sitting here. Boxes to break down and also tons of product to try. I'm so excited. Yay! I love doing PR hauls. Definitely so much fun. If you're a brand who ever wants to send me stuff, you can just like DM me on Instagram. Or I think my YouTube has my email in it as well. Okay, I am going to get all this stuff ready to take inside, put it in its spot so I can try it all and test it all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all these brands again. So kind of you and like gracious of you to send me some stuff. And yeah, I really appreciate it. I definitely think I'm going to be collecting some stuff from the next few weeks from brands to do a little giveaway. So if you guys are interested, then be sure to stay up to date on watching my videos. But I love you guys so much. Continue to pursue your dreams and be productive as much as you can be, but also take those rest days. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye guys.